everyone! Today, this week actually was quite the midterm of the session. I hope that's the right word. So this week was pretty busy for me. I had a lot of things, assignments that were due, and we are Thursday right now. And tomorrow on Friday I have an oral presentation, a report that is due, and a midterm exam. It was very intense, and today I don't have any classes on Thursday this session. I will spend the whole day studying, but I just thought I would try to film a vlog. It's really difficult to film a vlog because I always start them and I stop filming in the middle of the day, so I just end up with footage that I will never use. That's very unfortunate. It's really annoying because filming takes time, and then I feel like I lose even more time that when I just give up and forget to film. Anyway, that's just something I'm struggling with at the moment. Today I will be studying for my software architecture midterm. That's tomorrow actually. And the other thing that's due tomorrow is about autonomous vehicles. It's a research on my sustainable development class. It was very interesting to work on that subject. I also thought that I can show you how I organize my days when I'm studying for exams and assignments that are due very soon, like in the midterm. That's something a lot of people ask me. I know I covered the subject already, but I'll just do it again. I will start a live stream today. I guess I will stream all day. I will show you. So the first thing that I do is that I time block everything. So for example, here it's software architecture, and then my autonomous vehicle project for my sustainable development class. So here is what I will work on today. Laundry, I'll study for software architecture, do the Quizlet, the report, and then the oral presentation. So that's it. I will start the live stream on YouTube, and I'll see you later. Then I looked at Toggle. I use Toggle to track my time when I work on university related tasks or Galnos Tech. It's quite useful. I wanted to know how much time I spent on the autonomous vehicle report. Then I checked my emails because I sent an email to my professor the day before and asking a question about context in software architecture. He replied to me, so I read his answer to understand what I didn't previously. If you see me on Messenger, that's because I was talking to my teammates about our project, and that is what we used to communicate. Then I studied for my software architecture midterm. Since the professor gave us a list of everything we needed to know to be ready for the test, I took that list and filled in the answers to every question on a Google document. And now you see me reading a book because that's our reference book in this class. It's called Software Architecture in Practice. Then instead of reading the book, I was looking at our lecture notes, the PowerPoints, if there was some helpful information there. Now I'm on my phone a little because it was break time. I'm always studying with Pomodoro sessions, so 50 minutes of work and a 10 minutes break. During the break, I also got some peaches as a study snack, and I continued studying for my exam. Now I'm going through my personal emails and trying to schedule an appointment with my personal trainer because he canceled our appointment this week. Then I procrastinated a little bit and went on Facebook, but I think that was during a break too. I found a calendar for tech events in Montreal, so I added a task in Trello to add the Women Tech Makers Montreal event on the calendar when I'll get a chance. Hello everyone, so I already forgot that I was filming a vlog. That happens so often. I just worked all morning and now looking for the remote control. Look at my cat. Oh. So I'm still streaming on YouTube. I will leave the stream for 45 minutes to an hour, and I will eat lunch and probably watch a TV show like Riverdale. I think there's a new episode. And here's what I'm having for dinner. So it's a cauliflower soup, I don't know, cream thing, and with some crackers. After lunch, I went back to work and wrote comments again on the autonomous vehicles report so my friends can fix their problems. We were working on identifying the key actors, for example, the governments, researchers, and experts in autonomous vehicles, car manufacturers like Uber, Tesla, Google, that were working on this technology. And for each actors, we also had to identify their position about the subject and what are their issues in the matter. So that's just an example of the 20 pages report we did on the vehicles. After an hour, I switched to software architecture and started working on the Quizlet. So it's almost 4 p.m. I stopped working because I'm pretty tired, and you know, at some point you just feel like you start to get frustrated at working. I don't know, that's what happens to me. So when I feel like that, I just acknowledge it and stop. So that's what I would do. And since it's quite early, it's not even 4, I think I will go to the grocery store and I will try to cook something nice for dinner so that I can start studying again later. So I'm still in my PJs, so what I will do now is that I will get changed, go to the grocery store, and then come back. Hello everyone, I'm back from the grocery store. Maybe I can show you what I bought. That's something I always enjoy in the vlogs of people. So, how to do a vlog and show everything. So, okay. So that's the reusable bags. So I bought some chocolate milk. It was on sale and I wanted to get some because it's good. I bought some Oreos because I had a craving this week. I bought some papers for the dinner, some broccoli for the dinner too, some cheese, curd cheese for the dinner, and some Italian sausage for the dinner too. So now I'm gonna prepare it. I think I'm gonna get my speakers and I'm gonna listen to some music while I cook, or maybe a TV show. So my boyfriend got me this speaker at last Christmas and I really like it. It's very useful in the kitchen. Okay, so let's get started. I'll show you the food I'm making. I've been trying to get up and get to work for 30 minutes now. Yeah, I don't want to run to work, but I need to do it because I have 2 evaluations tomorrow, so I need to do it. And then tomorrow I can take the night off, so yeah, I'm really tired. And also, yeah, I'm gonna work on my oral presentation because that's the first thing I have tomorrow morning. But then I will finish the Quizlet I didn't finish earlier, and yeah, so that's what I would do now. Oh yeah, I wanted to say that I'll start a YouTube live stream now, I think, because that way it will allow me to focus, so that's what I will do. During my live stream, I made some flashcards about the pestle analysis for the vehicles. That is what I had to present in front of the class. Then when I was done with my flashcards, I practiced once to see how much time I would be speaking. It took me 7 minutes and that was too much time since we only had 15 minutes to do the oral presentation and we are a team of 4 people. So then I worked on the PowerPoint again since I removed some information to be speaking last time. I erased the bullet point on the Google slide that I wasn't saying anymore. And again, I switched to my Quizlet for software architecture. I really switched tasks a lot today, it's crazy, especially since I was doing a team project and we were last minute because my teammates did their part at the last minute. I had to review what they were doing. Then I printed some examples of software architecture scenarios about performance because the second part of my midterm, we were allowed to have documentation with us. Since we had to do scenarios like the one I printed in the exam, I printed all the exercises we did during the class and annotated with the comments the professor gave us. I did that for a couple of hours until almost midnight. I was printing documents and analyzing the exercises to get ready for the exam. At midnight, it was finally time to go to bed. It was a pretty long day since I started studying at 9 a.m. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.